Okay, so I got a Ford 86 or no 85 Ford Corsair motorhome. I'm usually not a Ford guy, but I thought I could maybe use this thing to help me move. It's got a 460 in it. I think it's fucking weird these things don't even have a hood latch. You just gotta pull from the outside. Nice and easy for people to steal your distributor cap or fuck with your engine that way. Now it's got a couple little leaks and whatever. I mean, this thing was 900 bucks, so I mean, you can't really expect anything that great. It starts up, runs. I had it on the highway going here, going 100, 110, that's K, for about an hour or so. Or not an hour, sorry, half an hour. Yeah, it'll be good, at least help me move all my shit. I'll have to clean it up a bit. I mean, actually the radio even works in this thing. I'm amazed. We'll go for a little rip around the block here.